Hi, I'm Greg with IPD, back with another video where we explore all the features and benefits associated with our products. But in this episode, we'll be taking a closer look at the different Porsche throttle bodies, which are all manufactured by Bosch. These are also commonly referred to as throttle valves, depending on where you live in the world. This video will focus on the e-gas throttle bodies from the water-cooled era and their respective and proper diameters. First, we need to start this topic by discussing how, and more importantly, where, to measure any bore properly and accurately, because a tube can only flow as fast as its most restrictive cross-sectional area. This pinpoints the section at which the air entering the induction system is at its highest velocity before reaching the intake valves. To measure any circular opening, you'll want to use an actual bore gauge, just like this one. And you'll always want to take the measurement of any bore at its most restrictive area. In this case, it's where the butterfly valve is connected to the shaft. Porsche has mainly been utilizing 4 different throttle bodies since 1999. Here's a brief history of the different sizes and the respective models that featured each of these different sizes. The 68mm, which was utilized on all 996 turbos and 986 Boxsters, measures in at 68.01 millimeters. The 74mm, which is by far and away the most common Porsche throttle body, measures in at 74.04 millimeters. This was found in the 996 and 997.1 Carreras, as well as the 987.1s, 987.2, 981, 718, as well as all turbos since the 997.1 model. The 76mm, found on all 2004 996 GT3 Mark IIs and all Cayenne Panamera turbos except the 09 Cayenne Turbo S, measures in at 75.96 millimeters. And of course the 82mm and largest member of the Porsche throttle body family, which measures an 82.02 millimeters. The 82 is also commonly referred to as the GT3 throttle body since it was first introduced on the 997.1 GT3 and continues to be the standard OE throttle body on all GT3s to date. Through the evolutionary life cycle of the 911 Carrera engine, these larger 82mm throttle bodies have now become standard equipment on the 997.2 and 991.1 naturally aspirated Carrera applications. Of course, larger throttle bodies deliver more mass flow of air into the combustion chamber, which enables the engine to produce more power and torque. Although bigger isn't necessarily better with turbo applications, it is almost always better with naturally aspirated engines. Remember that mass flow scales with cross-sectional area, and area scales at the square of the radius. So doubling the diameter actually equates to 4 times the mass flow. But let's translate that formula into relevant real-world Porsche throttle body language. On the surface, we can see that the larger 82mm throttle body offers a 10.8% increase in diameter over the 74mm. But if we dig a little deeper and use some rudimentary geometry to compare the areas of the 2 throttle bodies, we'll find the small gains in diameter actually equate to large gains in the cross-sectional flow area. So it seems like a 10.8% gain in the diameter of the flow opening is actually an impressive 22.8% increase in cross-sectional area, as seen here in blue. Here's a quick closer analysis of upgrading the 68mm to the 74mm. Again, the 8.8% increase in diameter is significant, but it's the 18.4% increase in area that reveals the important and practical data. More air, more power. That's why IPD offers our competition series plenums for a variety of applications that are specifically designed to utilize the next larger size throttle body for Porsche driving enthusiasts looking to maximize performance. Hope you found this video informative and helpful in shedding light on the mysterious and highly debated topic of Porsche throttle bodies and throttle valves. You can learn more about them as well as our competition plenums that utilize larger throttle bodies to elevate the performance of your Porsche. Just visit our website at ipdplenums.com and stay tuned for more IPD videos coming your way soon. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for all of our latest videos.